In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email auto-reply in Yahoo Mail. Whether you're heading out on vacation, working remotely, or simply need to manage your email more efficiently, setting up an auto-reply in Yahoo Mail can be a real lifesaver. Let's dive into the steps to get you all set up. First, you need to log into your Yahoo Mail account. Head over to the Yahoo login page. Start by entering your Yahoo email address into the designated field. Once you've entered your email, click on the Next button. Now, it's time to securely type in your password. After entering your password, proceed by clicking Next again to access your Yahoo Mail inbox. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a small gear icon, which is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From here, select More Settings, found towards the bottom. This action will take you to a more comprehensive settings page where we can customize your email preferences. In the left menu of the settings page, you'll see several options. Locate and click on Vacation Response. Now, this section is specifically designed for setting up auto-replies, making it perfect for our needs today. To activate the vacation response, you need to toggle the switch that says Turn on Vacation Response. This will enable your account to automatically respond to incoming emails. Once enabled, you'll need to specify the exact duration of your auto-reply. Enter the start and end date according to your needs. This will help you select the time period during which the auto-reply will be active. Now, it's time to compose your auto-reply message. Think about what you'd like to communicate to those trying to reach you. It might be a simple note telling them you're not available or providing alternative contact information. Type this message into the designated text box. There's also a handy optional feature available here. If you want to send a different response to specific contacts or domains, you can do so by checking the option Send a different response to specific domains. You can then enter specific domains, such as @company.com, to customize who receives which message. After you've entered all the necessary information, review your settings to make sure everything is accurate. Once satisfied, click Save to activate your auto-reply feature. And there you have it, your Yahoo Mail auto-reply is now all set up. Remember, auto-replies are a great way to maintain communication even when you're away, ensuring that your contacts are informed about your availability.